Good morning, you guys. Did I see outside? It's early in the morning, you guys. Right now it's 5:57, you guys. It's 5:57. I have a cartwheel order this morning, and guess how much is it? Guess how much money is it, you guys? Guess. Oh my God, this is the biggest cartwheel that I have received so far, you guys. The biggest. So the pickup time is 5:54, and I just got here. It took me 30 minutes to drive here, you guys. So I'm about to go in, and yeah, I'm waiting for you to guys down in the comment before I tell you. So let's go in and grab this order. I hope it's ready, you guys. I hope it's ready. That's where we are. You know what? Let me turn off. Let me turn it off and go inside. Let's go pick up this breakfast. Look at me. I forgot to grab one of those bags. Let me grab this one. Ouch. I just bumped myself. Good morning.
Good morning. Are you here for the...
Yeah, Easy Cater? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. It's KM4 you use.
Let me see. So this is what we have, and they're gonna bring some more. Okay. So, y'all, let me bring another bag because we have a lot of items. We have a lot of items, y'all. This is bags from yesterday. We just throw them over there. Y'all, this is everything. So all this in these bags, they hide stuff only. Hot stuff, and we have that in this bag, and one of that bag I put over there. It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff, y'all. So let's go drop it off. Alright, you guys, it only shows that it's 9 minutes away. 9 minutes away. So I hope you guys finish guessing. So let me go ahead and tell you how much it is.
Head northwest, then turn left onto North Peace Haven Road.
It's $100! You guys, it's $100, you guys. 100, you guys. 100 for only 9 miles. So that's like 3 miles. 3 miles. All right, let's go. I'm so excited for this order. And after this one, you guys, I have another one, y'all. I have another cartwheel to go pick it up at 7 something. So I'm gonna tell you about it once I'm done with this, and once I'm on my way to go pick that up. Let's go drop this breakfast.
In 200 feet, turn left onto North Peace Haven Road.
Let me go this way. Okay, yeah. I was delivering to the big. Okay, yeah. I was delivering to the big hospital. So now it's time to go pick up the other car we pick up. Okay, you guys, it's 7:23 right now. 7:23, and I am here to pick up my second cartwheel pickup, you guys. The pickup time is 7:28, so I'm about to go in. I am at a Mimi's Cafe, and this order, you guys, is $43. $43. Super excited. And if I added the 100 that we did earlier, and this one's gonna be $143. So I'm thinking like, should I just go straight home after this? Because we made the most money, you guys, in just under 2 hours. Because it's gonna take me under 2 hours, you guys. Yeah, under 2 hours, 143. So thankful, super thankful. I still don't know if I want to work this morning or just, I mean, the rest of the day, because we need to rest sometimes. Yeah, we need to rest, especially days like this. That I'm just lucky today, you guys. I'm blessed, lucky. 143 under 2 hours. That's a blessing. That's a blessing. So let's go in and grab this pickup. Good morning. Is it catering?
Which one is it?
All right, we have this so far, and the more are coming. Let me go ahead and take this in a cart. All right, this is what we have for Mimi's Cafe. Let's put it there. And let me put this over here. So I'm about to go back in because one of the iced coffee thing, it broke. So they're making another one, the box. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So they're making another one. So let's go grab it. All right, have a good one. Thanks. All right, this is it, y'all. All right, let's go deliver. Easy pickup, you guys. All right, you guys, we're about to drive 9 minutes, y'all. 9 minutes to get to our destination. Okay, you guys, I got at the place and it was a little confusing to get here, so I had to call and they gave me instruction. So they told me to park over here. Right now I'm waiting for them to be here so they can grab the items. How much? Have a good one. All right, thank you. All right, you guys. They said they're gonna set it up by themselves. So let's go back down. I think I'm lost. I think I'm lost, y'all. I didn't use this door here. Let me go tell them to walk me out, because
Stay on and it'll carry you right back down to the lobby.
okay. Thank you. All right, you guys. So I'm done, and I just turned on Lyft right now. I'm about to do some Lyft for a few hours. Today I'm not gonna work the whole entire day. I think I can work until I go pick up the kids and that's it. So I just received a rider right now for $10. Let's go pick them up. Okay, guys, I dropped my first one and I'm going to pick up my second rider. $17 and it's going 20 minutes. Okay, I just dropped another one, so I'm going to pick up another person. $8 going 11 minutes. All right, you guys, right now it's 9:13 and I'm going to pick up my fourth person, $10, and she's going 16 minutes. You guys, what a beautiful day, what a good day to make money. It's 11:30 right now, 11:30, and I'm on my way going home. I've made enough. I'm just going home to relax. I'm just going home, you guys, because I think I've made enough. I need to relax. I need to take time off and I'm sleepy too. I woke up early this morning, so I am super sleepy. So you guys, I have made $228 from 5 to 11:30. I have made $228, so it's time for me to go home. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoy watching this kind of content, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.